Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you what the page will look like for Raz Kids for Reading. Once you go to raz-plus.com, this is the page that will show up. To log in, you're going to click the green Kids Login button. And when you do, it's going to show us under Mrs. Kettle's name, and we share an account with her. So that's why it has her name instead of mine. So you're going to scroll down to find your name. I'm going to use Haley as an example, so I'm going to click on Haley's. The one thing that's different than when you log into Raz Kids at school is you had a password and usually that was your first name, but I've changed it to make it easier for everyone. Everyone's password is the picture of the car. You're going to click the picture of the car and click go. And when you do, this is the page that will show up. In order to follow, I'm just going to show you, if you were doing your online learning for Monday, you would see right here it says listen to your assigned book 5 times. So you're going to click the assignment button. And when you do, you're going to see a book that will show up. Each week that I add a new book, it will show up to the right of the current book. So this is the current book that you would be reading. If it was another week, you would see another book that you would click on. But the book that I've chosen for you, if you were to click the headphone button, that means the book would be read out loud to you. This middle button is you reading the book to somebody else or you reading the book to practice out loud to yourself. And once both of these buttons have been clicked, you will be able to take the quiz at the end of the book. Once you have finished the assignment for the week, you click the back to reading button, and if you wanted to do some reading on your own, you would click the reading room button, and there's different topics that you can pick from, and I have selected a level for you. And as you can see, Haley's already listened to some of these, but you would click view all, and that way you can scroll through and find what books you might be interested in reading. You can also click the back to reading button, and you could also send me a message if you would have liked to, and then you could message back and forth with me.